Everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie. Today, you guys, I got two of the scent boxes. That is right. One of them I got 2 days ago. One of them I just got today. Today is the day that I picked up a whole lot of stuff from the post office, as I've mentioned in other videos. So I'm not sure what order you're going to see all these videos that I'm making today, but I wanted to share with you guys. I did get... Basically, one is my subscription, and one of these is I ordered a refill on a scent that I really like that I ran out of. I used up my month's supply. So let's go ahead and see what we got. Honestly, I don't remember what I picked for my monthly. So we will see. All right. These great company. Customer service has been great. There was 1 month they sent me the absolutely wrong fragrance, and I offered to send it back to exchange it, and they told me to keep it, and they sent me my corrected fragrance for free. So I ended up getting 2 fragrances that month. So all right, always get a packing list. This is, you get a really cute box for your first month, and then every month thereafter they do come looking like this. We'll get to that in a minute. You get your packing list, and then there's always a scent of the month card, which has his and hers scent of the month. So let's go ahead. Let's go with the ladies. The scent is from Amo Ferragamo from Salvatore Ferragamo. Said it is a oriental floral fragrance launched in 2018. Top notes are Campari, black currant, and rosemary. Middle notes are jasmine, mate, and rhubarb. Base notes are Tahitian vanilla and sandalwood. So there is that one. And while y'all look at that, I'm going to read you his scent of the month. It is Polo Deep Blue from Ralph Lauren. It is a Parfum that is a aromatic aquatic fragrance for men. Top notes are mango, grapefruit, and bergamot. Middle notes are cypress and geranium. Base notes are ambroxan, C notes, and fir resin. That is what that one looks like. So those are the featured scents of the month. And if you go into the website, you get more information. They tell you how to order that. So here is my little shipping label. Let's see what we got. Ooh, I am so glad this came, because I literally looked on their site today realizing I am literally out of this, and they're out of this scent right now. It's on a wait list. So what did I get? I got, ooh, look how pretty this is. Ooh, I like that purple. That is pretty. I got Gucci's Guilty, or Guilty by Gucci. This is really beautiful. I love the purple. They can send me a bunch of purple. So this is what it looks like. You get 0.27, I believe, ounces, which is enough fragrance that is supposed to last you 30 days with a few spritzes per day. And this is a refillable little cartridge, I guess you'd call it. And here's the scent, and all it does is it pops out. So that is basically your fragrance. It's a little atomizer, and I have warned people that you need to make sure you're careful that this doesn't get loose, because obviously if you unscrew this, all the fragrance dumps out, and that has happened to me. So this is only meant to be a 30-day supply. Like I said, 0.27 ounces. So that was the first one, and I honestly don't recall if that was my monthly scent choice or my I need this scent choice. I think this was my I need this scent choice. Again, it doesn't really differentiate whether or not it's a monthly order or an extra order. So here we go on the second one. Cool. Great company, guys. This is absolutely one of my absolute favorite subscriptions. It's fun to try out new scents. And what's really nice is if you get your fragrance and you just are like, this is not what I was expecting, I don't like this, you can do a exchange for free. You just go onto their website, fill out a form, and go from there. So, all right. I got the same card talking about the monthly, and of course my packing list. What did I get? Ooh, this is my monthly choice. Okay, so this should be, let's see if it's the same color. Oh, pretty. It's purple, but it's lavender. I like that. This is Crush, which is a fragrance by Rihanna. So I have never smelled this scent before. I am very curious. I, of course, am wearing fragrance already. So we're going to go ahead and grab a piece of paper so that I can spritz it onto the paper and not mix it with the scents I'm already wearing and get a little sniffy of this. So again, there's the atomizer. You just dial that down. You know, easy to put this in your purse, but you guys be very careful you don't leave it upside down or sideways for a long amount of time. Let's go ahead and swatch this, so to speak. Okay. So again, this is by Rihanna. It's called Crush. Ooh, I like that a lot. Very, very reminiscent of my other scent, Gucci by Gucci's Guilty. I really like this. So, wow. Nicely done, Rihanna. Yep, this is definitely going to be one I'm sure I will be refilling because I really like that a lot. Really, really like that a lot. So if I did not like that, like I said, you would go on their website, scentbox.com, and I can fill out a form to exchange it for free. So these are the two I got. Rihanna's was my monthly choice. This one was my order that I just was out and I needed to refill it, so I went ahead and ordered. So here's the deal. It's about $15 a month. They have other plans you can do. This is like their base introductory level. It gets you certain fragrances, but not their high-end fragrances. If you want their high-end fragrances, the monthly fee is a little higher, around 20 some dollars a month, 20, 21, I don't recall exactly. This runs you about 15. Now, there's two options to get you a discount for your you know, if you're new. So if you go on their website, you can get their first month for, I believe they say $9.73 a month. Or if you use my referral link down below, you get a month for free. Now it's not your first month. You have to pay the $15 for your first month. Then your second month is free. All right. They're not going to give you like your first month for free because people would sign up and then they would just cancel. So they want you to pay for your first month. Second month will be free if you use my link that's down below. Okay. You get a month for free. I get a month for free. I don't get any money out of it, but I do get a referral code that I can use to order like a refill. Or if you want, you can just go in and you get a slight discount on your first month. You're paying about 10 bucks. So honestly, you guys, I think free is better than $5 off. That's what I did. When I decided to try Scentbox, I went and used my friend Alexis from Haute Modesty. She's Haute Modesty here on YouTube. I used her link. She got a month for free. I got a month for free. I thought that was a better deal than just paying like $5 less for my first month. So yeah, I had to pay the $15 if I wanted to use her code and get a free month, but that was okay. I've been subscribed for several months now. The other thing is, like I said, they do have a higher tier. You can get the really, really pricey, expensive fragrances. You're going to pay a little bit more a month. You're going to pay around 20 some-ish a month. They also have options where you can get 2 fragrances per month. So for instance, if you are living with someone, significant other, married, however, if you want to get like a his and hers or a hers and hers or his and his, you can absolutely do that. They do have an option for 2 fragrances a month. Or, you know, I thought about it. I could get 2 a month. You just pay a little bit more a month. So that is kind of a neat option. Right now, I am just getting the base, that $15 a month fragrance subscription. At some point, in order to have access to the, you know, a little bit more expensive brands, I will probably bump up to that as well. But right now, I'm good. I'm cool. I'm happy with trying new fragrances. And honestly, really impressed with Rihanna's scent. I loved that. It smelled amazing. I think I'll probably be wearing that tomorrow. That's a really nice scent, and it actually really reminds me of the other fragrance that I got, which is Guilty by Gucci. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. A number of you have used my referral. I really appreciate you doing that. I know you're going to get your second month for free. I get a referral code. Like I said, I do really appreciate that. What it does is let me get one of these for free. So yeah, let me know, you guys. They do have, I believe they say they have like 850 different fragrances to choose from. Now, of course, that's men's and women's fragrances, but that's a lot. And from everything I've read online, that is one of the, like for the subscription companies, that's like the largest selection of fragrances from what I understand out there. Now, I'm sure the other fragrance subscription brands or companies are building their, you know, I don't know what you call it, their closet full of fragrances, but yeah, there's about 850 options to choose from. Of course, some of them are the higher level. So let me know what you think, you guys. I really appreciate checking it out. Like I said, this is what they look like after your first month. Your first month, you get a box. It's about like that. Kind of your welcome to the Scentbox family. But you know, there are always kind of different colors. Sometimes just the band might be a different color. Like I have a bunch of red ones that have like different colored bands. So I think it's kind of fun. Helps you distinguish what they are. But All right, you guys, I am going to be looking like this for a couple of videos. I got a lot of stuff in the mail today, so I'm going to try to crank out recording some videos, be able to release those to you guys over the next week or so. So I'm not sure when you're going to see this, but appreciate you watching it. Don't forget, 2,300 subscriber giveaway is going to be ending very soon. Make sure you check that video out if you are eligible to enter that. Make sure you get entered because, like I said, it's going to be closing really soon. So, all right, I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.